This is the tutorial on how to schedule dialysis-related medications. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. First, click on Patient Profile. Next, at the submenu on the left, choose Medications. Click the plus icon at the bottom right. Select Dialysis-related option. Fill in the details of the medication at the right panel. Click Save. After adding a new medication, another user need to confirm the medication. After the medication has been confirmed, the status will be active. Thank you for watching. Here are some video suggestions that you can also watch.